Yeah, after riding the Caballero more than 1000 kilometers on the street, I should be able to give you an overview of the pros and cons, at least in my opinion. Number one of the pros is sound. It's pretty impressive, at least for a model year 25. I didn't expect any sound, but sound is nice. Some nice pops and no embarrassing pops. Second pro is handling. The Caballero is pretty easy to ride and you never have the feeling that you could lose control. And at least I had complete trust into that bike after the first meters. Third pro is quality. The used parts and the build quality look very good. Fourth pro is fuel consumption and range. I guess that you can reach 300 kilometers if you don't push it too hard. Of course, there are some bikes with more power, which consume less. For example, the Yamaha Tenere 700, around about 30 horsepower plus and around half a liter less consumption. But there are also, for example, scooters like the Vespa 300, which consumes more petrol for less horsepowers. In that case, 24 horsepowers of the Vespa compared with the 44 horsepowers of the Caballero. And the final pro is the price. In the end, you get that bike for around about 7,500 euros. And if you compare that, for example, to the Suzuki DRZ 4S, the new model, which should cost about 10,000 euros, less horsepower, similar weight. I don't know, I guess the Caballero is the better deal. Or let's say, at least it is a pretty good deal. First con is the inspection intervals. I don't want to visit my dealer every 5,000 kilometers. Second con is the inspection costs, due to the fact that they have to check the valves and so on. The costs are a little bit higher than you would have it with normal bikes. Means the cost that you could save due to the low consumption, you will have to waste on inspection costs and so on. I know that it is a small series engine and a small series bike, but yeah, you have to be aware of the inspection intervals and cost. Third and last con is the lack of features. It simply has no features. It has a quite nice display, which is good, but you don't have any features. Yeah, to summarize it shortly, the Caballero doesn't have more features than my bicycle. It's okay, but it could be a little bit more.